cannot join Roblox Games. So here's what you should do. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated. So let's go to our Roblox account. And then here in our Roblox account, there must be a game that we cannot enter. So we just need to exit the Roblox account or your browser. And then go back to your browser. Search for Roblox. And once you have searched Roblox again, just try to re-log in or rejoin that game. But if not, you can also use in Roblox in another browser like Microsoft Edge. So just type in Roblox there and log in your account, and then try if you can join the game that you want to join. So let's go back, and in here I have another solution for you guys if those ones are not working. So that is very simple. That is to restart your computer. So you can just restart your computer here in the bottom left side. But if that doesn't work, you can also uninstall your Roblox. So first we must go to the start button here, or search button. Search for your Roblox and open it in the file location where it is installed and where all of its data files can be found. So it is very easy. So just delete all of this in order for it to uninstall. And what you will do next is go back to your browser and then search for Roblox and go to the website and just install it again. So I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.